right, welcome to another current obsessions. That is my sexy voice. It's not very sexy, I know, but I'm gonna try it anyways. For January 2019, Happy New Year. I feel like it's been forever since I've done a current obsessions. I try to do one every month, but for those who are new to my channel, first off, welcome. But every month I show you some things that I'm absolutely loving. It could be makeup, it could be jewelry, clothes, shampoo, whatever, just things that I genuinely love. And most of the stuff I purchase myself. If I don't, I always tell you guys. And at the end, I always show a funky item that's very unexpected. And yes, I do have a funky item today. So anyways, we are going to start off with a couple products. This one was given to me from a friend of mine, Mina. Hi, Mina. She's actually the producer for one of the shows that I'm going to be on. And I will talk about that in a dedicated video later because it goes live on air, I think in March, and it'll be on Hulu and on the CW network. So stay tuned for that. So I'm really excited, but she's such a sweetie pie. And she gave me this skincare products, which are amazing. As you can tell, I'm almost out. I've got to go get some more, but it's by Dr. LILI Fan. It's a probiotic microdermabrasion. It is so amazing. It's hardcore though. So if you have very sensitive skin and you don't like anything, any kind of scrub on your skin, I would just be careful with this one. But it's an amazing scrub that you'll put on your face after I moisturize. I do this maybe once a week if my skin's feeling very dull, very tired, it's flaky. I put this on and you kind of rub it in for 1 to 2 minutes and you can feel it getting a little bit warm, but then you have an activator that goes on top. It's such an innovative product. It's so cool. And I swear my skin looks so much better when I use this. It's amazing. So after you're done with that, you have this activator, which comes in this little squeeze tube like this, and you put this on and you leave the crystals on after you kind of scrubbed your face, get all that dead skin off, let it sit. Take the activator, you put a little bit on and then rub that in. Then you'll feel it getting warm and kind of tingly. And what it's doing is it's breaking down all the gunk off your face. And then once you rinse, your skin feels legit like a 1-day-old baby's butt. It's so smooth, it's so soft, feels amazing. So that is that skincare by Dr. LILI Fan. I got this from I had a facial here in Seattle and they use this line. It is pricey. That's why I was saying I'm so sorry, you guys. Next month I promise I'll do some more budget-friendly stuff. But this is by the brand CELLECLE and they have this DETOXIFY mask. So this is kind of an exfoliant as well, but it's not a scrubbing exfoliant. Let me just show you. It's such a cool product. So what you can do is use this once to twice a week too, and what it's supposed to be is an enzyme mask. So what you'll do is you pump a couple on, you rub it on your skin, and then you let it sit. And what I do is I take my bubble bath, which I'm doing now. I didn't used to take bubble baths, but I do now. And so what you do is you put this on your skin and you're gonna let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Do you guys see on the camera how it's already starting to foam up? It has kind of a weird feeling to it. It kind of tickles. It feels like little bugs crawling on your skin. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of tingly. But what it does is it starts foaming up, and what it's supposed to do is break down the enzymes on your skin. It's exfoliating, but it's much more gentle. So if you have sensitive skin and you don't want a harsh scrub, kind of like the one I showed you before, then try this one. It'll get off all the dead skin, and I do this once or twice a week as well. And I just let it foam up, and you'll leave it on until the foam and all of this starts to disappear. And then your skin is just super, super soft, and it just, I don't know, I feel like it's refreshed and hydrated, so I really like that. I've been getting back into mist, so the whole like spray your face, you know, do the baking, all of that, and then mist it with some wet stuff or whatever. I didn't really do that face routine for myself. But I've been feeling since I moved up to Seattle, it's colder. I'm around heaters a lot. My skin gets dry. I've been needing extra hydration. So I've been going back to using hydrating mist, more of a skincare versus a makeup routine. But this works for both. I think I mentioned it to you guys a while ago. I can't remember, but it's been long enough to where I wanted to bring it up again because it's so freaking good. It's by Aesthetic Arts. Everything from this line. This is why you drink coffee, kids, because it keeps my energy up. I can't talk. It is Petals of Dew Hydration Mist. It is so amazing. It's this mist that you can spray on your face and it hydrates it. It gives you that glow. If you feel like your skin's dry after you put your makeup on, you have a little bit of powder on there you want to melt down, you can use this as a hydrating mist as well. I use it as a toner also underneath my moisturizer, and it's amazing. Everything from this line I swear by so much. It's a very clean line. There's not a lot of like BS in it. There's just very pure, a lot of natural ingredients, but it's highly effective. I've been using this line for over 5 years now, and I swear it's the one thing that's made such a huge difference in my skin. This brand and Elemis are my two favorite skincare brands that I swear by and love. So you can get this online. The owner, her name's Christina. She's a friend of mine. She has her own online boutique, so it's very like you'll be supporting a local businesswoman. She's such a sweetheart. She's very passionate about skincare, and she's very knowledgeable about it. So if you guys go on her site, you can email her questions, and she'll personally answer you any questions that you have about skincare, about acne, aging, oily skin, dry patches. She will answer your questions and recommend products from her line that are just, I swear by them so much. It's amazing skincare. So I really, really like that a lot. And it's not too expensive either. It's been a while since I bought it because it lasts for so long. I think it's in the $20 to $30 range, so not too bad. I don't know if I mentioned these before, but obviously we all know who Lush is. They all have some great stuff. But this bath bomb, have you guys tried this one? The raspberry, I don't know what it's called. It's like raspberry swirl or something. OMG, it's so freaking good. It comes in a big old bar, so I break up little pieces of it because I like to spread out my Lush stuff, so it saves me some money. Know what I mean? So I put this in the bath. It suds up and it makes the bath smell so freaking good. This is my favorite one ever. So I love the raspberry swirl one. And then I'd use the body butters that you can add into your bath to make your skin hydrated because I'm so dry right now. I don't know the names of these ones, but they look like this. So this is a body butter that you can throw in the bath with your bath bomb, and when you get out, your skin is again like a baby's butt. I don't know why there's so many baby butt references in this video, but you guys know what I mean. I'm not trying to be all twisted or weird or anything. Your skin is smooth. I like the vanilla one too. It looks like this one. I don't know what the names are. Go to Lush, that's what it looks like. It's amazing. And then I got this as a Christmas present. I've been loving this. You guys know one of my favorite body care brands is Jo Malone. You can get it at Nordstrom. They have so many different scents. And I've been really liking this one lately, the Peony and Blush Suede. It's their hand lotion. It's so good. I'm actually wearing it right now. It has a floral scent, but it's not like your grandma's floral scent. No offense to grandmas out there, but it's a more modern floral scent, I guess you could say, where it's fresh, it's clean. Just has a hint of flowers in there. I don't know, it smells like a nice garden. If I was going out on a very springy day, I would smell like this. So the lotion's so soft and hydrating. It doesn't feel greasy at all, but it smells good. It's very luxurious. It is a luxury item. And I don't know how much it was because it was given to me, but it's a big ass bottle. I've used it a lot since I got it at Christmas, and I still have, I mean, I could really see this lasting a couple years, honestly. So if you want to invest in it, I think you'll get your money's worth out of it. So Jo Malone is the brand. So I travel a lot. It's a struggle to stick to my weight loss plans. It's not working lately, but I try. So I've been trying to eat more protein lately. I was vegetarian for about a year, and then when I got pregnant last year, I was craving meat so bad, so I kind of ditched the vegetarian lifestyle, but I try to do it like maybe 1 or 2 days a week. But in between, when I'm eating meat and I'm on the go, I get Perky jerky. It's a pretty creative name. Perky jerky. You get this on Amazon. I ordered a big pack on Amazon, so when I'm traveling, I'm on the plane and I don't want to eat nasty plane food, I can eat some jerky. It gives me the protein. It fills me up with the way I need. And it doesn't have a lot of sugar in there, so it tries to be, they advertise this as being paleo friendly, so if you're on paleo, you need a good snack, this is what it is. But it comes in these different flavors, and I got the truffle and thyme one. It's so good. It has like such strong flavors to it, but it's not fake tasting. Like it actually tastes like truffle and lime or thyme. It's so good. So they have a few different flavors, but this one's my favorite. You guys know me. I am a Grandstand Foiled Eyeshadow and Jet Setter Plush Cream for Life girl. I have at least 5 or 6 that I've hit pan on or have burned through because I wear them so much. So I'm trying to branch out and use different Makeup Geek items a month so I get out of my routine. So this is my look. Do you guys like it? Do you like that I'm branching out and doing no eyeshadow and I'm doing a bold lip? This is very anti-Marlena, but it's 2019 and I'm gonna mix it up and change up my look. So that's what I'm doing. I'm focusing on the lips. So what I'm wearing today is the Makeup Geek Showstopper in Mambo, and I believe this is one of the colors that Target's carrying. So if you have a Target near you, February 3rd, hey Target, they are going to sell more Makeup Geek product. We're gonna have a whole 2-foot wide by 12-foot tall section filled with Makeup Geek products. So check it out. If you guys can send me pictures, I would love to see pictures of your store. Tag Makeup Geek and tag me, Marlena Stell, so I could see it, because I would love to just see where all of the makeup is showing up in the US. I'm so excited. So that's what I'm wearing now is Mambo. This one here, and then my lashes that I'm wearing, because we launched lashes before holiday, but we didn't really do a big push for them. But I really like this one a lot. So the ones I'm wearing right now, they're called Graceful. So these are by Makeup Geek as well, and they're very flirty, they're very fun. I like the band because it bends, but no animals are harmed in the making of these lashes, which I love. So these ones are called Graceful. These guys right here, I like those a lot. And then I've been liking this blush duo from Jouer. Am I saying that right? This guy here? I don't have a lot of stuff from this brand because I don't know, I haven't really tried a lot of it, but I've been really liking the blush duo right here. I think it's really pretty. This is the one rose gold blush duo. I went to Sephora a few weeks ago and I've been wearing this for a while. Isn't that pretty? They're kind of shimmery blushes, so if you don't like shimmer, you may not like these, but they're very natural looking. They're very soft. They give you a nice, beautiful highlight, so I really like those a lot for just something for the spring where it adds color to your face. A little bit of shimmer, but not too much. It's just a really nice formula. I think they did a great job on those. And then I've been trying to read a lot lately. Are you guys proud of me? I've been reading more. I've been trying to take more time for myself. I've mentioned this book a couple times. I talked about it. Oh man, I got my Lush bath bomb in there. I got some pink on the side. But I've been trying to read before bed as a way to calm myself down, just because the last couple years were absolutely gut-wrenching brutal. And one of the things that have gotten me through that is reading a lot of inspirational books to just, I don't know, to make me feel like I'm not alone in some of the struggles that I've had or things I've gone through. And this one isn't really about that. It's more of it's from Oprah's perspective on things that she knows from the life that she's lived. And she's the only celebrity that I would ever meet. If anyone has any connections with Oprah, please call me. Even if it's 5 minutes, if I could just give her a hug and run, I would give anything to meet Oprah. She's my hero. I love what she stands for. I love that she's such a good person. She's so inspirational. Just where she's come from and where she is now is just so motivating for me. And so anything by her, I totally support. And I love this book so much. It's like an inspirational book. So she goes through and it's such an easy read. I read just 1 or 2 chapters a night before bed. And it just talks about what she's learned. You know, some of it is, and she gives a little bit of stories from her life. It talks about having courage in difficult times, or, you know, when you're having a rough day, what you can do to get yourself out of bed, or just, I don't know, it's just so inspirational. And they're just little bits of stories of pieces from her life and what she learned in the lessons in life and how it can apply to yours. It's just a great book. You just have to trust me. It's almost like a devotional type book, just a little nugget of inspiration to help you get through the day. I read it before bed, but it's called What I Know for Sure by Oprah. So love that. Oprah's team, love you guys. Please call me. You guys know me that I have very bold taste, shall we say. I don't have a problem wearing faux fur. I will wear leopard print, cheetah print, bright pink lips, pink hair. I do not give a shiznit. I wear what I want. So I found this faux fur kind of vest thing at Chico's. I was walking by, this is before Christmas, I was like, I need some fur in my life. So I got this. It's really comfortable and it's really cute. I wore it. It actually keeps me pretty warm. So I got this there. I think it was around, I got it on sale. I think it was around $60 or so. But it's really comfortable and I feel very fancy when I wear it. So that's kind of my clothing item that I'm obsessed with right now. Judge me all you want. I'm never going to tame down my style because I like my flamboyant things. All right, are you guys ready for the funky item? Are you ready for this? So this was given to me as well. So what the funky item is for this month is a face shaver. It's actually a dermaplaning machine or tool, as I should say. This is by DERMAFLASH, and basically what it is, I already used it a couple times because I have one of the dispensers right here. Let me pull this off so I could show you. So basically, dermaplaning, if you guys haven't heard of it, it was a trend last year that you could go to a salon and get, and it's where they kind of take off the very top layer of the skin, but it takes off the hair as well. So if you have peach fuzz, facial hair, dry skin, anything like that, and you want your makeup to look flawless on top, you can use this. And I've tried it a few times now, and I'm really impressed with it. But what's really cool, sorry, I'm trying to get this wrapper off. There we go. Okay. What's cool is it gives these refillable little razors in there, and what you do is it has a vibrating button right here. You guys hear that? So, ooh, that's strong. Okay, so what you do is you can insert this blade right here, and hold on a second. There we go. Okay. So you insert the little blade right here, and what you're gonna do is after you wash your face, don't put your moisturizer on or anything like that. I do this once every couple weeks. I don't do it every week. Actually, no, not even that. I do it once a month. It's been a couple months since I've gotten this. But what you do is you pull your face taut, you turn on the little vibrator, and you gently scrape it in very short motions against the skin. And what it's gonna do is get rid of all that peach fuzz, that mustache that I be rocking most of the time, my chin hairs, all of that fun stuff that I don't want anyone to see. It scrapes all that off, and it makes your skin so smooth. And when I applied my makeup the next day, I was surprised by how much it buffed in. I was like, okay, my foundation isn't sticking to anything. It was so amazing. So if you want dermaplaning, but you don't want to have to go to a salon to get it done, you want to do it at home, it's something to look at. They sell it on Amazon now. I just looked it up. It's running for about, I think $180 was what I saw on Amazon. So it is a bit of investment. It comes with the refills as well. And they have demonstration videos on how to use that. If you guys want to see me demonstrate it, I can post in the comments below. But it's pretty much a get rid of your facial hair dermaplaning tool. How do you like that? Anyways, that is all of my stuff that I'm obsessed with for this month. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I just love interacting with you and have fun with all of this stuff. So come back next month for another video, but I will have more good stuff coming at you in the near future. Some tutorials, some life chit chat stuff, some fashion things, really fun stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell. So thanks you guys for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.